Two Shanta's YouTube channel, everybody.
Yeah. Once upon a time in the land of Bevil, there lived a Bebe named Shanta. But she was no ordinary Bebe, she was a Bebe Bebe. As the Bebe grew, she became proficient in music and dancing and was very happy. But the people of Bevil were not happy, they were angry and full of hate. So the Bebe Bebe skipped through Bevil, spreading her Bebe magic everywhere she went and made them happy. And from that day forward, the town of Bevil became known as Bebe.
Because Bebiness is happiness. Hello! My name is Shanta. Ang lit ng boses ko. Tingnan niyo yung kasama ko.
Suave.
Subscribe kayo kay Greg Hawkins.
My YouTube channel is Greg Hawkins.
Lalagay ko dyan.
Ayan.
Follow niyo siya. Subscribe pala. Subscribe. Hindi niya kailangan ng followers sa Instagram kasi sobrang dami na.
I paid for them.
Huwag kayong maniwala
I
dyan.
didn't pay for them.
Kasi artista, ganun talagang artista, no? Madaming followers. Nag-aantay kami ngayon ng Grab kasi pupunta kami ng Green Hills. Abangan nyo kami dyan. Joke lang, late na kayo kasi na-upload ko na to. Ngayon, nandito kami sa Shangri-La Hotel kasi social silang dalawa. Ganun talaga kasi dollars sila, no? Napuputol lang.
Anybody can get in here, guys. You don't have to be social to be here.
Tama.
You can walk in and enjoy the beautiful sights and sounds. Just don't bring any weapons because they do check. My
Sponsored ka?
My headphones got it. They didn't get taken, but it scared everybody.
Sponsored ka ng Shangri-La. Sponsored siya ng Shangri-La. 1 million pesos per word. Wait lang mamaya. Hello, nandito na tayo sa taxi. Sa Grab. Hello po, kuya. Pa-hi po. Nahihiya siya. Nandito na kami, tapos pupunta na kami ng Green Hills. Nag-vlog din sila.
This is our life, man. 2 vlogs at the same time.
Sorry, I wasn't responding. I'm not used to this, everybody. This is new for me.
Yeah, so it takes a bit of getting used to having a camera.
Kuya Escort. Ay, nandito na kami sa Green Hills. Pero hindi po na ako makapag-vlog kasi ako yung camera woman nila. Mamaya na lang pag kumain na ako kasi nagugutom na ako. Pero mamaya pa yun. Kasi ang bilis ko magsalita. Pero yun lang, nandito na kami. So, gawin ko muna yung trabaho ko. So ngayon, umiinom na sila ng quickly. Pero ako, hindi ako nila binilhan. Ay, sorry, hindi ako makapag-vlog kasi ako yung camera woman nila. Na-prank namin sila, kuya, dito. Kuya, hi ka naman sa vlog ko. Hi! Ang ganda ng tawa niya. Panoorin niyo yung vlog. Nakaganon siya. So may sasabihin ako sa inyo kasi parating napapansin yan sa vlog ni Dwayne. Tingnan nyo yan. Ay, taas kamay. Taas kamay. Taas kamay. Hello po. Taas kamay. Taas kamay. Taas kamay. Taas kamay.
Taas kamay.
Hindi, ito.
My hands are to us.
Parating pinapansin yung kilikili mo. Alam nyo? Yeah, ganyan yan. Nababasa yan pero hindi yan mabaho. Kaya yun yung gusto ko din kay Dwayne. Hindi siya mabaho.
Hindi ako mabaho, madumi lang.
Uy, hindi ka madumi. Hindi kita
napapawisan.
Yun yung big deal kasi sa akin yung yung amoy. Kaya kahit basa yan, wala yung amoy. Oh, bakit? Why?
You're so cute with your vlog.
Of course, I'm your wife. Dapat lang cute ako para sa'yo. Sige na. Back to business. Hi ka muna dito. Hi. May tanong ka sa kanya? May tanong ka sa kanya?
Ano ba ang dapat itanong? Isang topic. Sa Sherlock.
Maganda. Love life ko to eh.
Oh my God, I hate you na.
Hi.
Wala akong nabili. Nasa labas na kami ng Green Hills. So next na, kita-kita natin, kumakain na kami. Nandito na kami ulit sa Shangri-La. Kakain na kami. Yay! Iniisip kong kumain ng... Ano ba gusto ko? Pizza? Hindi ko alam. Mamaya. Ay. Sige, kita na tayo sa pagkain. Totoo na to.
The banana. Hindi ko alam eh.
Ha? Ano ba? Wait lang. Seryoso pa ako. Yan, nandito na tayo sa restaurant. Kakain na ako finally. Oh my gosh. Oy, papakainin niyo ako ha. Kasi ako yung ano ako ba? Camera woman. Pakainin niyo ako.
Dude, this looks really good.
Kakainin ko lahat. Uy, sabihin mo sa kanya kung anong masarap dito. So, ito yung favorite na restaurant namin ni Dwayne. Tapos, ito yung favorite ko.
Man, I would say
Ito, gusto ko yan. Oh, masarap yun.
Swedish meatballs and mashed potato. They also have bangers and mash. It's pretty good.
Swedish meatballs lang sa kanya.
Pwede.
Ano ba yung gusto ko dito? Nakalimutan ko. Yung chicken something may pamaya na. I have to do this. Ako, ito yung favorite ko. At saka itong citrus cooler soda.
Yeah, it's the same thing. And did you order the meatballs?
I did, yeah.
Hawakan mo nga, please. Wala pa yung kay Dwayne. IG story!
So beautiful.
And then the last two things that really make it. We open the structure just a
Yung
little
maganda sa
bit.
kanila kasi na.
And then we take the sharpen, we sharpen it all the way.
Ayan.
For just
Sorry, yan. Yung sa akin na lang yung wala pa. Kain na sila.
Potato meatballs with the meatball sauce and the chili stuff.
It's pretty good.
Nagustuhan mo?
You make it basically like udon. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Hi, Spatzle. Please sponsor me. Joke. Okay po. Don't you think it looks so good? Diba?
That's so great.
Finally! Ano yung pagkain ko? Ano yung pinaka-favorite? You can have the chips. Gusto mo ng chips?
Thank you.
I think she's adorable. Don't kill me.
Blurry na naman kayo. Yung camera ko kasi. Don't talk when your mouth is full.
So what are you talking about?
lives in Manila, but I'm originally from Leyte. I upload videos 4 times a week. Now, if you want to watch my other videos, you can click this box or you can click this box. Thank you!